Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a bunny carrot.
Bunny carrot?
Yeah, and you might ask, what's a bunny carrot? Well, it's a funny little creature. It's half carrot, half bunny.
That one for bunny face, but it's a carrot.
Yeah, so that's going to be quite interesting. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started? All right, let's go.
Yes.
All right, so we're going to be drawing a bunny carrot. So it's going to look like a carrot, but it's actually a bunny. So that's going to be fun. So let's draw the body. We're going to draw a kind of shape
Of a carrot.
But yeah, we're going to make it quite round as well. So carrots are quite long and skinny, but we're going to make ours quite rounded.
Skinny. There. That kind of looks like a raindrop. That's upside down.
It does, yes. Okay, and then we're going to draw some ears on the top. Normally in a carrot they have green leaves, but we're going to draw
Ears.
Yeah, so these are actually going to be the ears of the bunny.
Then do something on the other side.
Yeah.
Now it's
Awesome.
time to do his face.
Yeah, so now this kind of looks like a carrot, so you can actually stop here, colour it in, and it's a carrot. But we're going to make it look more like a bunny, so we're going to draw a face on it. So I think what we'll start off, I'm going to start off in the middle here. I'm going to draw his nose. And bunnies have got cute little noses. And I'm actually going to make mine into like a little heart.
I'm just going to make mine a circle.
Yeah, you can do it any shape you like, that's right. Okay, and we're going to draw some eyes. We're going to do some two big eyes here. I'm going to have my eyes open, but you can have yours closed or any other way. And then once done those two big circles, I'm going to draw another two circles on the inside. And we'll colour that in a little bit. And that's just a light reflecting off his eyes. It makes it look cute, that's right. Alright, so that's looking really good. So let's draw his mouth. So I'm going to draw a big smiley mouth like that because he's a happy bunny carrot. And rabbits have always got a little line running from their nose to their lips like that. Yeah. And I think what I'm going to do is give them great big teeth. Because rabbits have got big teeth, which they like to chew through things. Sometimes furniture, sometimes our
wood.
Yeah, wood, our cords for our phone charger, but normally
sometimes
these
he
carrots.
does that.
Yeah. And I think the other thing we'll do is we'll add some whiskers on there as well.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
So 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on the other side here. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Alrighty, so there we go. So that's our bunny carrot. Next step is to colour in. And we're back! We've finished colouring in. I've coloured mine in like a carrot, so I've made his body orange, and his ears, I've made them green, though, so it looks like the little green leaves there. And I've added some highlights and other little details here as well. So hopefully it looks pretty cute. And what have you done with yours? Tell me about that.
I made it like our pet rabbit, Oliver. He has grey fur. He has a little bit of brown at the end of his ears. And I made his bed.
Yeah, so we've got a pet rabbit. His name is Oliver.
Oliver.
Yeah, so he's probably running around the garden at the moment. But yeah, he's kind of greyish and he's got little brown tips on his ear. So it looks exactly like him. And you've added his tail. He's got a little bit of brown on his tail as well. And he's got a little bed that he likes to play on and jump around and stuff like that. So that looks really good. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
That is awesome. I think you did a wonderful job, and we'll show Oliver that later as well. I'm sure he'll be super impressed as well. Oh, there we go. That's our bunny carrot drawing.
Bunny carrot.
Yeah, so we hope you followed along and had lots of fun. And that's the cool thing, you can actually mix up all animals with different fruits and vegetables. So maybe you can try a elephant
with mango.
A bear mango, yeah, or a dog apple or something like that. So you do all sorts of crazy things. That's right. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawings for you to follow along with and enjoy. And we'll see you again next time.